Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. At this moment, we will share with you decorative amazing garden gazebo design ideas and tips to elevate outdoor garden living space with gazebos. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The garden gazebo. A whisper of escape woven into the very fabric of your outdoor haven. It's a sanctuary for sun-dappled afternoons, a stage for whispered secrets, and a canvas for your personal oasis. But before you dive headfirst into a whirlwind of lattice and shingles, let's delve into the very essence of garden gazebo design, shall we? Gazebos aren't mere architectural ornaments. They're portals to another realm, a pocket universe where time slows and worries melt beneath the dappled canopy. They're reminders that nature is a masterpiece, and we, its privileged guests. They're whispers of a bygone era, of grand estates and stolen moments under moonlit skies. So, how do we capture this essence in our own backyards? By embracing the interplay of form, function, and that je ne sais quoi that makes a gazebo truly sing. Forget one-size-fits-all blueprints. The ideal shape for your gazebo is a duet between your garden's personality and your deepest desires. Craving a touch of whimsy? Let a hexagonal haven dance amidst your roses. Yearning for classic elegance? A stately octagon draped in climbing vines will steal the show. Dreaming of a bohemian retreat? A circular sanctuary with billowing curtains and Moroccan lanterns whispers your name. The age-old question. Building your own gazebo can be a rewarding adventure, a chance to flex your creative muscles and infuse it with your own soul. But let's be honest, it can also be a time-consuming tango with power tools and blueprints. If time is a precious jewel, consider prefabricated options that can be customized to your liking. Remember, the most important investment is in quality materials and construction that will weather the seasons with grace. Hold on, gazebo enthusiasts. Before you waltz off with your lattice dreams, let's address the pergola elephant in the room. Pergolas, with their open roofs and airiness, are perfect for alfresco dining and sun-soaked soirees. Gazebos, on the other hand, offer a more enclosed sanctuary, ideal for intimate gatherings or quiet moments with a good book. Choose your dance partner wisely. To complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 garden gazebo design ideas to ignite your imagination. Romantic retreat, imagine a wrought iron haven draped in wisteria, complete with plush cushions and a vintage chandelier. Rustic charm, picture a weathered wooden gazebo nestled amongst wildflowers, with a crackling fire pit and Adirondack chairs beckoning. Modern oasis, envision clean lines and geometric shapes, with sleek furniture and pops of color for a touch of contemporary drama. Whimsical hideaway, dream of a fairy tale cottage-inspired gazebo, with gingerbread trim and fairy lights twinkling like fireflies. Mediterranean enchantment, transport yourself to the Amalfi Coast with terracotta tiles, whitewashed walls, and cascading bougainvillea. Zen sanctuary, embrace the tranquility of a Japanese-inspired gazebo with a koi pond, bamboo screens, and minimalist decor. Treehouse fantasy, build your dreams into the branches with a rustic treehouse gazebo, complete with rope swings and a hidden reading nook. Rooftop revelation, transform your rooftop into a celestial haven with a stargazing gazebo and plush cushions for cozy nights under the moon. Urban oasis, even city dwellers can enjoy gazebo magic. Opt for a compact and minimalist design with vertical gardens and clever storage solutions. Eco-conscious sanctuary, build your gazebo with sustainable materials like reclaimed wood or bamboo, and add solar lighting for an eco-chic touch. Now, let's dress your gazebo to impress. String fairy lights for an ethereal glow, hang colorful lanterns for a touch of whimsy, or layer plush pillows and throws for ultimate comfort. Don't forget the greenery. Introduce potted plants, hanging baskets, or climbing vines to blur the line between indoors and out. Your garden gazebo is more than just a structure, it's a canvas for your soul. So, go ahead, unleash your creativity, embrace your wildest dreams, and build a sanctuary that whispers your story to the wind. Remember, the best gazebos are those that reflect the unique melody of your heart. Head over to Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more garden inspiration, DIY tips ideas. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you gallery of amazing garden gazebo design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.